Alright guys, got something special. We got a 2024 Civic Type R, and he brought in a whole AWE kit. Buried under there, I'll show you guys that in a second. But this is before, this is stock. It's all stock set up right now. Go ahead. Very quiet. Deep though. Here's sound decibels on it. Right? Hit 80. Yeah, hit 80. So we're gonna take all of it off. I'll show you guys the undercarriage here in a second, but it's gonna be straight piped. It's an AWE kit. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. All right, guys, this is the 2024 Honda Civic Type R. I showed you the before. This is the way it looks underneath. So the kit, straight pipe from AWE. Well, actually it has a small resonator right there, but basically straight pipe enough. But it starts up here. So to do it, you're gonna end up having to take all of this plastic and aluminum shielding off the bottom to get access to the front. Just unbolt it. And then also they've added, which I don't remember these on the old ones, like the 20s or the 2020 models, the 21 models myself, but they've added this giant plastic shield. I don't know what it's there for. But anyways, they put that on there. So you gotta take all of that off as well to get out the rear mufflers and everything like that. Comes out the back right there. One giant tip in the middle. But yeah, so we're gonna put on this AWE kit right here, my stainless steel system, and we'll let you guys hear it when we're done. Remember guys, like, comment, and all right guys, so it's 2024 Honda Civic Type R. Showed you guys the before when it had the stock system on it. We took all that off, put the AWE system on it. It came with black tips and stuff like that too. So I'm gonna let you guys see it now. So it starts in here. That's where the flex pipe was right there. That was the original flex pipe that was on it. And that sat in that hole right there. And then we took it out. Goes over, comes out right here. This is an entire 3-inch system too. The stock system was 2.5 to 2.25. 3-inch all the way back. There's a small resonator right here. All the way down, bolt it in, back over like that. And deletes the rear mufflers, which is that weird setup right there. Range setup. It even comes with a valve on it too. Interesting. I didn't know that. But yeah, so it takes out all of those and then puts 3 double wall black tips on it right there. Nice and shiny now, real clean looking. And out the back, matches the rear bumper and everything. Real nice. There you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And like I was telling you guys earlier, I mean, that's the rear muffler, the weird abomination of a muffler, a couple of resonators, and then a flex pipe from there. So there you guys go. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2024 Honda Civic Type R with an AWE catback system. A whole lot different, yeah? Sound decibels. Could probably get close to 100. I could probably get close to 100 when he's getting on the highway and everything. The rev limiters nowadays. One more time. All right, go ahead and back it out. Nice, yeah? Nice. let you guys hear it on the inside. But this is before, this is stock. It's all stock set up right now. Go ahead. Very quiet. Deep though. Here's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Hit 80. Yeah, hit 80. So we're gonna take all of it off. I'll show you guys the undercarriage here in a second. A whole lot different, yeah? Sound decibels. Could probably get close to 100. I could probably get close to 100 when he's getting on the highway and everything, the rev limiters nowadays. One more time. Alright, go ahead and back it out. 2024 Honda Civic Type R, an AWE catback system. Yeah, it's also 6 shift. Look at the 5-speed.